Welcome to Embedded Frist. Today topic is difference between SDLC and STLC.
Is in the software development and testing domain. Let's explore each one. SDLC, Software Development Life Cycle. Definition: SDLC is a process used by software development teams to design, develop, test, and deploy high-quality software applications. Phases: planning, defining the project scope, objectives, timelines, and resources. Analysis, gathering and analyzing requirements from stakeholders. Design, creating a detailed design plan based on the requirements. Implementation, coding, writing the actual code based on the design. Testing, conducting various types of testing to identify and fix defects. Deployment, deploying the software in a production environment. Maintenance, regularly updating and maintaining the software to meet evolving needs. Goal, to deliver a high-quality product that meets customer requirements within the specified time and budget. STLC, Software Testing Life Cycle. Definition: STLC is a subset of the SDLC that focuses specifically on the testing activities required to ensure the quality of the software. Phases: requirement analysis, understanding and analyzing testing requirements from the software requirements. Test planning, creating a test plan outlining the testing approach, resources, schedule, and deliverables. Test case design, developing test cases based on the requirements and design specifications. Test environment setup, setting up the necessary hardware, software, and network configurations for testing. Test execution, running the test cases and recording the results. Defect reporting, logging and tracking defects found during testing. Test closure, assessing the completion criteria, generating test summary reports, and concluding the testing phase. Goal: to ensure that the software meets the specified requirements, is free of defects, and is ready for deployment. In summary, while SDLC is a comprehensive process that encompasses all aspects of software development, including testing, SDLC specifically focuses on the testing activities within the development life cycle. Both SDLC and STLC are essential for delivering high-quality software products. Testing is integrated into the broader development process to ensure that issues are identified and addressed at various stages, ultimately leading to a more reliable